Hello, Marketer Assassin here, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. And all we talk about is ways to make how to make money online, or different marketing strategies and techniques to help you improve your marketing approach in the marketing industry. So today we're going to be discussing on how to create your very own website, a spontaneous and stunning website. If you have, there's a lot of ads about how to create a telling you to create a Wix website because it's legitimate and it's awesome. Wix is pretty cool, especially for beginners out there who haven't really made a website before or even a blog before though. But there's different ways to make free websites and free blogs, and this is one of those ways to make a free website. And they have a whole bunch of options on Wix. It's actually pretty cool. I use Wix and I love the plans and premium plans they have. They have monthly subscriptions where you can actually buy a domain, buy your own website on here, and you can actually use the www and use your URL, and you can actually get traffic to that website. And you can build it up and get paid by using ads and stuff on your website and different things. So there's a lot of things you can use websites for that a lot of people make websites for. So Wix is definitely one of those ways you can get make a easy and quick nice website. You can design it any way you want, and there's always a free route. If you don't have the budget, you can always go for the free route. And they definitely have their free plans. You can it's free to create a website on here. But the thing about that is they'll place their brand on your website. You'll still have the Wix brand, but I mean you can always remove that if you buy a premium plan. So that's always good to know. But yeah, you just go to Wix, www.wix.com. And it takes you, I guess, to this page, and then you can create your own website. And then once you push start now, it'll take you to the sign up. You gotta sign up anyway, so you can sign up through Facebook or Google, so or your Google account. So that's pretty cool and awesome to know. So you can log in quicker. So definitely, I'm gonna sign in through Google. So that's how I'm gonna create my website or sign up. So then it'll take you straight to this. After when you sign up and everything, you can sign up through your Facebook or Google, or you can just make if you don't have any of those, you can just you at least need to have a Gmail. So you can create a Gmail. That's easy, and you can sign in like that. So there's different ways, three ways you can sign in. So after you do that, it'll take you let's get started to this let's get started page, and it tells you they want to help you improve your Wix experience, perfect whatever stuff like that. They go on. There's an option to skip this down below, so you don't have to go through this. You can skip right here if you want, or if you want to really learn more about it, you can just do let's do it, and they'll show you different and ask you a few questions and blah blah blah. So after you get through that, it'll take you straight to this page, and they'll give you the option to choose whether or not if you want Wix to already have your website made, everything designed for you, and what I'm saying, you don't have time to just be spending time and really designing, going into depth in your website. Then you can have the Wix team create one for you, which is an easy way to and a quick way to get started on Wix, especially if you're a beginner. But if you're a beginner and you really want to know how to make websites, and you really you want to become passionate about, I'm passionate about making websites now. I love making websites, and I'm an artist. I'm naturally creative, and that's like my God-given talent. I'm very creative, so of course I went for the create your own Wix website through Wix editor. So of course I would recommend this to people who are just beginners, and who really want to expand their creativity and see how where they can go with this. I would definitely choose to create your own website through Wix instead of this though. But like I said, if you don't have time, if you need a website like now, and you need something to get going now, you can always have them choose for you, and you can they'll have it already laid out for you. You can just choose the category you want and blah, and then it'll go blah blah blah, and it'll go, and you go from there. So we're gonna choose a template. and it'll take you straight to this, and this is where it gets interesting. I love this page right here, because they got all kinds of different how you want your website to start off, how you want it to look like, and then you can just whatever you get that image in your head, you picture how you want your stunning website. Ooh, and it shows you some different options here for starters, for professional service, powerful for business. So Wix definitely helps you with all the setup process, along with other people in their videos. So just like me, I'm helping with the setup process. So Wix even helps you with the setup process as well too. So it's very easy to set up on Wix, and they have a whole bunch of different how you just picture in your head how you want it to look, the image you're going for, the presentation, and then you just go through. They got all kinds of different selections on here. What kind of niche you can go for your content, your website content. They got 1 all the way through 47, so that's definitely good to know, guys. So definitely hop on this. I think this is awesome. I love Wix. A business, online store, photograph, video, music, design, restrooms, food, and then the list goes on. You already know how it is, guys. You know what it is. So once you click whatever you want, it'll take you straight to the editor. You can view it, and if you're not sure about if you really want it or not, and because I don't think you can go back at this point, so you're gonna make sure you choose wisely. But of course, you can constantly just keep making free websites over and over again, though. But if you don't, you can view it. It'll take you straight to the view thing, and yeah, you can view it. Look at that. See that? This is how this website will look. It got the home service, our work, business, home service, our work, about us, contact, a book online. And the thing about these categories right here, you can change them and you can word them any way you want to. You can actually do that, and you can delete one if you don't want that much on there. You can delete a couple of them, or you can add more if you don't want this less on here. So it's very awesome to create a website. I love creating a website. The process of creating a website is so magical and awesome. I love it so much. I love creating websites. I'm passionate about that. I'm very creative. I love being artistic and all that. So definitely I recommend you create your own website through Wix. Especially if you're just starting off and you really need to figure out how to make a website, or you need a website to jump off, because it gives you those two options. It has a whole bunch of options it gives you to work with you and help you out. And it even got premium plans if you want to spend some money and really get something going, make an online business for yourself, and really sell online or whatever. You can actually you can get a professional website done for you, or you can create one. And you can you buy your own domain name, and then you can go from there. You can get Google Analytics. They work with you all kinds of ways. You can get noticed on Google, on the search engine, all that. You can put YouTube videos on here. You can upload your YouTube videos on here. Any photos that you got on your desktop, you can load it up on here. So that's awesome. Just knowing all this stuff is very cool, guys. So I recommend you do that. That wraps up the video. If this was very helpful to you, please leave a like down below. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.